Hello everyone. I want to talk today here about this very simple code that I've just wrote with the purpose, I'm calling it Cameo because the purpose of the code is to show myself on screen. So it's just this circular overlay of the webcam that you are seeing here. That's what the code does. It captures the webcam and it shows on top of the other windows as this circular overlay, which is quite useful for our presentations to make it a little bit more beautiful than just a rectangular image. The circular one feels better to me, and it allows you to control the position of this overlay quite simply with the mouse. So the idea is to use this for presentations, for lectures or for tutorials that you want to put yourself on the recording of slides or whatever you're recording. So to control the overlay, what you have to do is just can click and drag to move it around. So I'm here, now I can move it over here so I can get off the way of some code, of some content of some slides. You have this freedom to move it around. And also you can change the size. So if with the mouse scroll, you can increase the radius of this overlay, or you can reduce the radius of the overlay, and also you can control somehow the zoom of the webcam. So if I click shift and scroll, I can zoom in a little bit on myself. I have to move it around to make it to center it over here, or I can zoom out and so on. So I have this very fine control of how I want to show myself on screen, which is quite nice for recording tutorials and presentations and so on. I hope this is useful for more people. It will certainly be useful for my recordings, for tutorials of other stuff that I do. And if you like, please use the code. If you have some issues, please let me know. Just remember that I'm not a professional software developer. I'm doing this just for myself. But if you raise issues or if you want to know more about the code, please contact me and I'll do my best to answer the questions. Okay? Thank you all.